Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 30. First we use black color and the next one is yellow color, blue color, green color and red color. Kids, first we draw the number of 1 and now we use black color. The number of 1, O-N-E 1, and the next one is 2, T-W-O 2. Kids, we again use black color and now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. Black color. The number of 4. And the next one is 5. F-I-V-E 5. Now we draw 6. The next one is 7. The number of 7. Now we draw the number of 8 and the next one is 9. Kids, now we draw the number of 9 and the next one is 10. Now we use the color of yellow. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, the number of 10. Now we use yellow color. T-E-N 10. The next one is 11. And now we draw the number of 12. Yellow color. The next one is 13. And now we draw the number of 14. We again use yellow color. The number of 14. And the next one is 15. Now we draw 16. Kids, now we use blue color. Now we use the color of blue. Blue color. Kids, the next one is 17. Now we draw the number of 17. And the next one is 18. Now we draw 19. Now we draw the number of 20. The next one is 21. Now we draw 22. Kids, now we use green color. Now we use the color of green. Green color. And now we draw the number of 23. Kids, the next one is 24. We again use green color. The number of 24. The next one is 25. Now we draw the number of 26. Green color. The next one is 27. Now we draw the number of 28. Green color. The number of 29. And the next one is 13. The number of 30. Today we draw numbers 1 to 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.